Okay people, this is a massive release, Yoomp on Amiga 500. This game is originally an Atari game, but some years ago it was ported to the C64 and I played it a bit and it was great. But on Amiga it's much better because the graphics is so much more clear. You can see much more into what's happening. So it's a really great Amiga release, I think. Something we can be proud of, or something that I will play a lot because this game is fun because it's like simple. Basically left and right with the controller, and it's 3D, so just look inside as far as you can and you will proceed quite far. But there's a lot of levels, and of course it's getting more and more difficult, so it's not an easy game, but a game should not be too easy, right? I like it, you know, simple controls and great gameplay. That's all you need to do to make a great game. Simple is better, right? So this is 1081 CRT monitor, Commodore. And my Amiga 500 with this cheap, great accelerator. This is 14 megahertz, so it's you can play this on a standard Amiga 500, but this accelerator you can play the game at full quality. So this is basically Amiga 1200 speed. So it doesn't matter how great your Amiga are, this is the best graphics you can get out of this game. I love how the music is like synced with bouncing, jumping with the ball. Really nice. Of course it's getting more and more difficult. This is just novice level 3, and from every level you get this password. So that's great. So you don't have to play the levels over and over again. You get this password, you just type in the password, and then you can proceed from where you left. Ares! Yeah! The God of War! Just look into the game. Ooh! Those holes there, yeah. Then you should go probably up. Oh, no, sorry. This is really bad way. Sorry. Oh my god. What am I doing? Wow. The graphics is so good. Alright. That's better. That's better. It's getting better every day. And Merry Christmas, by the way. Ah, this is fun. This is fun. Woo! Nice, nice. Shit! No! 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 Okay, thanks for watching and... Okay, I will show you one thing. I will show you one thing. Because this is the accelerator that I'm using. This little baby here. You see the... Of course I covered the pins, but this is just going directly into the CPU slot. It gives you Amiga 1200 speed on the, and you can even fit the RGB to HMI with this little accelerator. That is cheap and very nice. I made my own design, you see, with this Pontius accelerator. Yeah!